NSF has a mission of trying to broaden the participation of all groups in science and engineering. And that's something that NSF has put a lot of resources and a lot of time into. And Includes really had this idea, right? It realized that part of what you need to do is you need to think about not just individual projects, but you need to think about how projects can work together and how projects can think about the collective impact.
Envisioning impact is not just about counting heads. It's not just about getting more people in seats. It's about the community, the STEM ecosystem, learning what works for underrepresented populations in STEM.
Where I think the Includes initiative is so interesting is that we get to learn about these 40 other projects that are being funded across the nation. We get to exchange ideas with them, what's working on their projects, what's not working on their projects, and then that we get together at these types of conferences to talk about where we all want to be in 2 years, in 5 years.
Includes, I think, is a nice mix of, on the one hand, being extremely experimental, funding very different projects, different kinds of partnerships with different strategies, but all with that common goal of including the broad sections of the population in science achievement.
This year, we're creating a special video showcase for the Includes program. Having the opportunity not only to view other projects' videos, but also to discuss them online enables projects to share resources and new collaborations, and this amplifies the work of each project.
There's a clear community being built here because of the meetings, the frequency of meetings.
I think sometimes people say, well, we put a lot of time and money into this, but where are we? We've actually made a big difference, right? But in the end, what Includes is recognized is that you need more than just individual projects that are going to go for 2, 3, 5 years and then end. But think about when you can bring together a whole community working on these problems, working across disciplines, working across these boundaries, then you can make more of a difference.